How can I treat yeast infection? How can I treat it? Okay, before we discuss on how you can treat it, let's discuss on why does yeast infection happen? Why does it happen? Number one reason why it happens is taking antibiotics. When you take too much of antibiotics, we have two types of bacteria in the body. We have the good bacteria and the bad bacteria. So when you take antibiotics, sometimes it kills those good bacteria, and those good bacteria are the ones that keeps the yeast in check. When you don't have the good bacteria in your system, it leads to yeast infection. So one of the reasons why some women have yeast infection is because they are lacking good bacteria in their system. Probably those good bacteria got killed by antibiotics. So taking antibiotics without prescription can actually cause yeast infection. So this is one of the reasons why yeast infection happens. Number two reason is pregnancy or hormonal change. Whatever that affects your hormonal balance can lead to yeast infection, including taking birth control pills. Normal changes of hormones during menstrual cycle can actually cause yeast infection. When you get pregnant, it affects your hormonal balance, it changes. So these two can cause yeast infection. Number three reason why yeast infection happens is when you have uncontrolled diabetes. Uncontrolled diabetes can actually lead to yeast infection because high blood sugar impacts the bacteria in your pee. That's why when you have diabetes and you pee, you notice these little ants can come there and cluster. So it also leads to yeast infection. Then the last but not the least is what we call having a poor or weakened immune system. When your immune system is dead, is weak, when you have weak immune system, you are being open up to yeast infection, because even other infections, because when your immune system is weak, other infection can easily attack your body. The immune system are like the defense system of your body. When they are weak, every other foreigner can come into your system. So one of the things you can do to avoid this is by taking vitamin C, or also taking enough citri milk, or citri drinks or fruits like oranges, cedar apples. All of these have vitamin C in them, or you can actually get a supplement. Okay, so how do I treat it? Simple. You can only treat yeast infection by using antifungal medication, not antibiotics. Now you are using antifungal. Many people, when they want to treat yeast infection, they are still using antibiotics. They just go to pharmacy. The pharmacy will prescribe them. No, explain to the pharmacist what you want, and the person will give you antifungal. Make sure it's antifungal medication and it takes care of it. It's common. You can get it anywhere and you can take it, and your yeast infection will be treated. You can take it oral. One tablet a day can take care of it, but make sure it contains fluconazole. The spelling is there, fluconazole. Or you can actually use a normal topical method where you insert some stuff in your vagina. So these are ways you can take care of yeast infection. I hope this video helps. Thank you.